Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's make this old rusty hatchet awesome. Let's begin with cleaning roughly the hatchet to see what we are dealing with. Can already tell that the rust has caused pretty deep holes. First, I'm gonna cut it and grind it to the final shape that I'm looking for. I started to grind it with the sandpaper down to 40 grit, but I had to switch to the grinding disc since the rust was too deep. Kept grinding until every hole disappeared, then polishing it with the higher grits, and then straight to the buffing wheel. I've made a drawing on the PC and barely managed to print it with my regular laser printer on some vinyl sheet. I've placed it on a metal and cut every single piece out to expose the metal to be etched. To etch the metal, I'm using a DC power supply, also connecting a multimeter to check the current that's flowing into the circuit. The plus pole is connected to the eye of the hatchet, while the negative is connected to a cotton swab. I'm adding some regular salt into a cup of water to make it conductive. The current is removing the metal only where it is exposed, and it's going to create exactly the pattern drawn on the vinyl sheet. It took about 15 minutes to cover the whole thing a bunch of times. The more you pass it, the more the grooves are going to be deep. In this case, I believe they're a fraction of a millimeter, maybe 1 or 2/10 of a millimeter. As you can tell, the edges are extremely precise. There are no fuzzy lines at all. I'm doing another polishing session to give the etched metal a shiny finish, and then applying some white oil to prevent rusting. Let's make a nice handle now. This is a nice piece of red paduk. I don't have fancy tools, so I'm just cutting it with a jigsaw, grinding the sides, and then doing a lot of hand sanding up to 600 grit. Then I'm applying a primer to seal the pores of the wood. And then I've put some wood lacquer as a finish. It made the handle smooth, kind of soft to the touch, and it also smells really good. I hope you liked the restoration of this hatchet. Hit the like button if you did, and subscribe to the channel to see other interesting builds. See you in the next video.